Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. To solve this problem, we can use a powers property. The first property is a product of powers property, that is x to the power y times x to the power z equals x to the power y plus z. By using this property, b to the power a plus 1 becomes b to the power a times b, and a to the power 1 plus b becomes a times a to the power b. The second property is a quotient of powers property, that is x to the power y over x to the power z equals x to the power y minus z. By using this property, b to the power 1 minus a becomes b over b to the power a, and a to the power 1 minus b becomes a over a to the power b. As you can see, b to the power a equals 1 over square root of 2, and a to the power b equals square root of 2. So we can replace b to the power a by this fraction in here and in here, and a to the power b by square root of 2 in here and in here. So we're going to get this expression. Now we can use another power property, that is power of a power property. X to the power y then to the power z equals x to the power y times z. By using this property, a to the power b over square root of 2 becomes a to the power b then to the power 1 over square root of 2, and a to the power square root of 2 times b becomes a to the power b then to the power square root of 2, and b to the power a times square root of 2 becomes b to the power a then to the power of square root of 2, and b to the power a over square root of 2 becomes b to the power a then to the power 1 over square root of 2. Now we can replace a to the power b by square root of 2, and b to the power a by 1 over square root of 2. So this fraction becomes look at these two fractions, 1 over square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2, and 1 over square root of 2 to the power 1 over square root of 2. To add these two fractions, we need common denominator. The common denominator is square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2 times square root of 2 to the power of 1 over square root of 2. And then the numerator becomes square root of 2 to the power 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. In the denominator, we add the powers square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2. Look at these two expression. They are same. So square root of 2 to the power 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2 on top and bottom is going to cancel out, and we're going to get square root of 2 to the power square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2. We can common denominator, and the common denominator is square root of 2, and the numerator we're going to get square root of 2 times square root of 2 equals 2, and 2 plus 1 equals 3, and we're going to get 3 over square root of 2. Once again, we can use this property, and square root of 2 becomes 2 to the power 1 over 2, and we can 1 over 2 we can multiply 1 over 2 and 3 over square root of 2. So we're going to get 2 to the power of 3 over 2 radical 2. We can simplify this fraction and multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 2, and we're going to get 3 times square root of 2 over 4.